Good morning. I hope you had a restful holiday weekend. This week we will have a required Google Meet session on Wednesday at 9:30 a.m. with office hours on Friday at 9:30 a.m. I'm keeping Google Meets to a minimum as to give you more time to rehearse. That's what you should focus on this week for this class. This week, the name of the game is to rehearse your presentation as much as you can before your first recording will be due the following week. Let me point you to that assignment in Classroom as well as a few other helpful tips for navigating. So I will do that once I just go over our calendar. So again, we're meeting on Wednesday. The Google Meet link is actually now directly in Classroom and it's a permanent link. And then Friday, there is office hours. That's supposed to be from 9:30 to 10. And that is not required, but again, you go directly to the link in Classroom. Now let's go to our research classroom page. So first of all, a couple of tips about this. Here is the permanent link to our class Google Meet. So every time we are scheduled to meet, you will go to your homepage for Classroom, and all you have to do is click on this. It's very easy. I don't need to repost the link every single time. All you have to do is go directly to the homepage and click on this. Second, it's helpful for you to know that everything in our Classroom page is organized by topic. The two topics that you need to worry about right now are 1, distance learning. If you click on this topic, everything you need is here. Our video from last time we met is here, so you can see what we talked about if you were not here. Materials from all previous weeks of distance learning are here. Our calendar, everything essentially is here. This video will be posted here when I am done recording it, as well as the form. So that's one thing. The second thing you need to know about is the presentation tab. This is the presentation topic. So Edpuzzle, this should show up as everybody turn this assignment in. So this should show up as everyone turn in. The important thing on this section is the run-throughs assignment. So I'm just going to open this back up again, just to remind you about what you're working on this week. So a reminder that your presentation should be 5 to 7 minutes long. The rubric is attached to here, so you can remind yourself of how you will be graded. And just remember, this is this week's goal. Rehearse your presentation as many times as possible. Remember, it is up to you the mode in which you will remember what to say. So if you are memorizing the whole thing using index cards, speaker notes, or what have you, just a reminder that you will not be reading your paper with your slides. This is a different mode, and you have to think of how to adapt your paper and thesis to a presentation format. And then next week, we begin our recordings for our run-throughs. Okay, so also a reminder that I am continuing to meet with individuals about their final paper review sessions. I have a meeting today with Sophie at 12 p.m., meeting with Stephen on Thursday at 12 p.m. Matt, if you have not gotten back to me about this by the time you watch this video, you need to do so ASAP. I sent you an email about scheduling your paper review session, which needs to happen this week. Second, Evan, you missed your meeting on Thursday of last week. I'm running out of spaces, so you need to email me as soon as possible to reschedule that meeting. We are wrapping these up next week. There will be no meetings after next week. So just a reminder, everybody should continue to be having a relative in their house read their paper, or it could be someone that you email it to. But just a reminder that that's still a required part of this project. Other than that, anyone who has not yet turned in their slides, this is a disturbing number here. There should be far more people who have turned this in than not. This is quite frankly unacceptable for this course. So get on that. I'll be grading these. Remember, this receives a regular grade because it was assigned far, far before we shut down. In addition, do not forget to fill out the form in Classroom once you have watched this video, and I will see you on Wednesday at 9:30 a.m.